Hi everyone, welcome to Eden's Secret. I'm just packing a small wholesale order of Tiger King bath bombs. That's a custom order for one of my customers. I'm not actually getting any wholesale orders at the moment. I'm saying not any, I've had like one or two. So I just thought I would, while I'm packing these few bath bombs, that I would have a chat with you about a few things. And the first thing that I've been meaning to say in all the videos that I've been uploading lately is just that I believe that the NHS, you know how I'm sure this will be the same in most countries, like over the years they've had cuts for this and cuts for that, you know, and they've all worked really hard. I'm sure they'll get everything they deserve once this coronavirus issue is over. All the cuts that have been made, I think they'll get everything back, and the country is going to be like, I think that might be their number one concern, that the NHS get what they deserve. I know there's lots of other companies doing great things, but the NHS and the people that work in the hospitals and the care homes are very exposed to the virus. So they are risking their lives, just like people in the forces. So, again, another group of people who absolutely deserve everything. So I also wanted to mention, I don't know if you watch How to Cook That with Anne Reardon. I do sometimes, but I've noticed in the past year she seems to be desperate to debunk everything. So she's got some really good videos on debunking this and debunking that, such as great big channels like 5 Minute Crafts, among others. Yeah, so look out for her. And one thing I have been saying during this time of virus is, like, if the world was ending, or say I was the last person to live on the planet, I would go and live on Main Street, USA, Disneyland, if I could get there. I'd have to fly a plane or charter a boat or something like that to get. Oh, actually, you could just get a really fancy yacht and travel over to the States from the UK in that. And if anybody else is wanting to do that, add Bagsy, the candy shop. Okay, so I want to make all your candy apples and your treats and everything. So that's mine. Where would you live if you could go anywhere like that? If you were the last person on the planet. I've just got some mini. This was just left over, so I made some minis for her. She's a good customer. So I'm just going to let her have them for nothing. Plus 3 of our bath bombs broke. I left them in the mould for 2 days. They don't actually like that. So, yeah, while I'm just getting some more bubble wrap, you let me know. Have a think about where you would want to go. And let me know in the comments below. Yeah, so these bath bombs, I had ordered some colours, but they haven't come yet. I ordered them 2 weeks ago and I'm still waiting for them. they're just absolutely been inundated with orders. They have shipped them now, so I'm hoping they'll be here tomorrow. But I didn't want to make this customer wait any longer, so she'd already ordered some mermaid bath bombs, which I shipped last week, and then I've just been waiting for those colours, and they didn't arrive. Apparently they're usually very fast at getting their orders out, but it's weird, isn't it? Like, since this virus has started and everybody's at home, luckily for us, it seems like our businesses are doing better than they normally do. I mean, obviously for me, most of my wholesale's gone, but as I've said, like, the retail has grown quite a lot. So it's just going to keep me going. So I'm really thankful for that. Right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pack these in a box, and I usually put packing peanuts in there as well. It just seems to protect them better. It stops them moving about. And these are going to Northern Ireland. So hi Marion, if you're watching. I hope you like them. They're not as orange as I would have hoped. I wanted them to be a much more vibrant orange, which they would have been if the colours had come, but you know, I had let you know, so you know. But so yeah, that's the Tiger King bath bombs, and I'm going to be making some Tiger King soap soon, so keep an eye out for that. I haven't forgotten, there's 3 mermaid bath bombs there as well. I haven't forgotten about the giveaways. They will be coming up this week for sure. I'll see you all very soon, everyone. Have a great weekend. Well, it's over now. It's Sunday, isn't it? Bye-bye for now.